Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the degrees of comparison type 2. Generally we use type 2 degrees of comparison when one event is compared to one of the best events. One event is compared to one of the best events. Then we use degrees of comparison type 2. Let us know very clearly about degrees of comparison type 2 in this session. Okay. Now type 2 positive, comparative and superlative degrees. We are going to learn how to change positive degree into comparative, comparative into superlative, superlative into comparative, comparative into positive, positive into superlative. How to change all these events from one degree to another degree. Let us learn in this session regarding type 2 degrees of comparison. If you take first one, very few girls in the class are as clever as Niharika. This is positive degree. Very few girls in the class are as clever as Niharika. This is positive degree. Niharika is cleverer than most other girls in the class. This is comparative degree. Niharika is one of the cleverest girls in the class. This is the superlative degree. Here see. Here we can take the clues which are given here. In order to identify type 2 positive degree, we can take the clue very few. The sentence or event starts with very few regarding positive degree, type 2 degrees of comparison. And most or many other will come in the type 2 degrees of comparison related to comparative degree. If you take superlative degree, one of the plus SD. SD means superlative degree. One of the plus SD. This is the clue that we have to remember regarding superlative degree and type 2 degrees of comparison if we have taken. Now let us see. Very few girls here. Very few girls in the class are as clever as Niharika. Niharika is the cleverer than most other girls in the class. Here you can use than most other or than many other. Both can be used. Niharika is one of the cleverest girls in the class. This is superlative degree. Now let us know about the structures which are related to type 2 degrees of comparison. How to remember positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree regarding type 2. Okay. Very few regarding positive degree. Let us know about the structure. Very few plus girls in the class. Girls in the class. If you take this one, a small group of words is called phrase. Here girls is the head. Girls. This is the word which is headed in this phrase. So that, and moreover this word related to noun. Girls in the class. This is noun phrase. Very few plus noun plus verb plus as plus positive degree plus as plus noun. This is the structure for positive degree. Now let us take the structure for the comparative degree related to type 2 degrees of comparison. Subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus than most other or than many other plus plural noun. Plural noun. Now let us take superlative degree. Subject plus verb plus one of the plus superlative degree plus plural noun. In the comparative degree, we have the plural noun at the end of the event. In the same way, in the superlative degree, We should have the plural noun in the structure. Okay. In such a way, we have to remember the structures which are related to positive, comparative and superlative degrees regarding type 2. Okay. Once again, I am going to make you understand all these structures. I am going to repeat it. Very few plus noun phrase plus verb plus as or so plus positive degree plus as plus noun. As plus noun. Now let's come to compared degree. Subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus than most other or than many other plus plural noun. Superlative degree. Subject plus verb plus one of the plus superlative degree plus plural noun. Plural noun. Okay. I hope you have understood about all these positive, comparative and superlative degree in this session very effectively. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic such as type 3 degrees of comparison. Till then, thank you very much.